welcome back to my channel. I am Avishi Mishra. As you guys know, अगले हफ्ते से boards हैं and I am extremely stressed. अगले हफ्ते the first board is English, which surprisingly I feel like I'm the most stressed about English out of all of my subjects. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Avishi. I'm in 12th grade. I'm in commerce. मेरे subjects हैं business studies, accountancy, economics, English and psychology. I know I haven't made a video दो हफ्तों में. It's because I have been trying to study and emphasis on trying. But obviously, I wanted to keep you guys updated. So here I am with another study vlog to get you guys motivated and to get me motivated too. Because honestly, the motivation has been gone, absolutely absent. I felt so demotivated all of like last week, and I felt like I just couldn't do anything. And finally, though, I started studying ढंग se as I wanted to like a couple days ago, so I vlogged all of it. Here I was doing accountancy because obviously accountancy is like basically my main subject that I need to focus on. It is my only practical subject. तो अकाउंटेंसी के लिए पहले मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस कर रही थी बुक से एंड देन आई मूव्ड ऑन टू डूइंग सैम्पल पेपर्स. हियर आई वाज डूइंग एन इंग्लिश सैम्पल पेपर बिकॉज एज आई सेड kind of stressed about English. Like I don't know bhai, it just feels really unpredictable कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, पता नहीं क्या पूछेंगे, पता नहीं if I'll write what needs to be written and if the examiner will like it. But yeah, here I was doing a psychology sample paper. And the way I've been doing these sample papers is a little bit casual. It's not like, 3 घंटे बैठ के super focused on the paper and doing every single question from memory. What I've been doing is writing down every question जो मुझे याद है and जो मुझे नहीं इतना अच्छे से याद है. I'll just look at the answer and then memorize it and then try to write it on my own. I think this is working. I think this is efficient. Let's see. Of course, I'm going to stop doing this and actually do papers thoda normally also. I haven't been studying too much of psychology because I actually have 23 days or 22 days before my psychology exam. Like after English, I have 23 days before psychology, which is crazy. So at least उस time पे मेरे पास होगा time to study psychology. So I have been focusing मेरे दूसरे subjects पर. And the sample paper I'm using here is actually EduCart. इस बार तो EduCart has actually outdone themselves. I'm so impressed with their new collection of sample papers जो मैं actually इस video में use कर रही हूँ. Firstly, if you get these books, you literally need nothing else because they have 16 sample papers as you can see. They have 7 actual past year CBSE solved sample papers and more fresh sample papers that are solved and for assessment. They even have concept maps for every single chapter जो revision के लिए बहुत helpful लगी मुझे. As you can see बहुत अच्छे से they've prepared the sample papers with answers and everything and even like explanations of the concept. Then they've come out with their Prayas series which has the 8 most likely to come CBSE sample papers for commerce stream which I have. As you can see एकदम actual board exam की तरह papers बनाए गए हैं and they even have actual answer sheets with it so you can practice writing as if you are in the exam. These are little things but I feel like these are the little things that make you feel so much more prepared. In the books, you'll also see that they've given toppers tips, focus points, and even the blueprint of the exams for each subject. This is a marking scheme. As you can see, it's so detailed. It even tells you ki where you'll get each half mark, each 1 mark in a question. I remember using EduCart in 10th also and it was very, very helpful. So make sure to check them out with the link in my description. They will for sure help you with your preparation.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do.
How are you? Tell me in the comments and tell me which subject is stressing you out the most, which you're scared about most. I would say I'm a lot more chill compared to like how I was in 10th grade, but then again, I had never done this before in 10th grade. But the fact that I'm chill, I think मुझे उससे ज़्यादा stress हो रहा है. But yeah, college applications and stuff have also come out, so it's a lot. God, I cannot wait to be done with BST. Like, please, बहुत हो गया. But I mean, realistically, I'll only be done with it in like May, which is when CUET is. I posted a community post of like a picture jahan pe I was doing a sample paper and you guys were asking me where I got these sheets from, like the horizontal exam type sheets. So you can get them kisi bhi normal stationery store se. And as I showed wo Prayas wali set mein from Educart, you do have these kinds of sheets. I mainly got these accounts के लिए because you know when you're doing it on in like a notebook, then you can't make a proper plan of how you're gonna make the accounts and stuff. Like this is a very niche commerce kid thing, but if you relate, tell me in the comments. Actually, I kind of miss making these accounts for accountancy because it's low-key kind of fun. And of course, accounts ne mujhe seedhi lines banana sikha diya. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Avashi's Coffee Shop and Avashi Mish. And best of luck for your exams. You will do so well.